People will be angered in the month of June 2025. These are the people of the United Kingdom. London and Westminster will burn. There will be lots of fire, screaming, shouting, and anger. I'm seeing cars smashed and on fire. I'm seeing windows broken and shops demolished. This will cause a lot of uproar amongst the people. They will be very angry. This will be followed by the resignation of a Prime Minister whose name rhymes with farmer.